So in this video, we will tell SideKick to create a banner, a graphic image, and a section. So change the main banner image to a St. Patrick Day graphic and update the headline to get your green on. Create a graphic and a custom banner section for this. So let's see. So now SideKick is generating an image. So here the banner is created. We will save it first to files. Now SideKick is asking us to create in a section in homepage. So yes, create a section in homepage. So now we are on customizer. Here is a SideKick generate block and the prompt is already here. We just have to click send. So now SideKick is generating code. It will generate style, options, all the things. Yes, so SideKick has created a section here and we can select the image. So this is it. We can do customizations here for mobile and desktop and all the things are here. We can change the color as well. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you.